color is about gone. It is about gone, y'all, and I'm actually gonna be coloring at the end of this month. Can you guys guess? Can y'all guess what color I'm going to next? Anyway, so today's video is a wash and go. I have not done a wash and go in a couple months, and it's about that time of year where all we doing is wash and go because it's about to start getting hot and humid in North Carolina, and other styles just do not last the same. So I did go ahead and shampoo my hair and condition it, deep condition it. I don't have any product on right now. I'm about to start applying my leave-in conditioner. And yeah, as you guys can see by the title, I am doing a super quick wash and go. I don't know if I want to use the brush, which is the, what brand is this? It's a wet brush by Tangle Teezer. I know for a fact I can do this method that I'm about to show you guys with this brush, but I got this, like, I don't know what they call it. It's like a coil comb or something from DAZE hair care. Was looking at using this because I'm really intrigued, and as you guys can see, the bristles are very, very similar. However, these are thicker and like more sturdier. So I'm like debating on which one to use. So you guys actually might see me flip back and forth between the two. And I'll let you guys know in the end which one I prefer. Or you guys can see whatever I end up using, that's what I prefer. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna get my hair nice and leave-in conditioner and get into this wash and go. Okay, y'all, so I ended up sticking with this comb, and if you guys can hear the birds chirping in the background, I'm so sorry, but they are super loud, but I gotta get this done. But yeah, the actual name of it is the Curl Creator Comb, and again, it's from DAZE Hair Care. If you guys aren't familiar with DAZE, she is an influencer on here, and she created her own hair care brand, and it is bomb. And yeah, it's black owned. I actually did a video on this, and I will try to remember to link the iCard. Now, although I do like the feel of this comb, it is a little more tension on my hair than the Tangle Teezer brush I normally use, but I like the comb better because it's really like clumping each individual curl. Like it's almost like a shingling comb. I just love how it's falling. It's falling in bigger clumps and more smooth than when I use my Tangle Teezer, even though there's a little more tension. So to kind of like buff against that tension, what I ended up doing was going ahead and detangling my hair with my wide tooth comb or fingers. And y'all saw I already applied my leave-in, so that and some water are pretty much my detangler. Then I go ahead, add the gel, which is also from DAZE Hair Care. This is her Glossy Shine Gel, and yes, it is bomb. It's super thick and moisturizing, also great for clumping, and a little bit goes a long way. But after I apply all that, then I go through with the Curl Creator Comb, make sure my ends are detangled before I just start pulling it through, and I go through and just rake it through to get the clumps. So I did find when I combed it outward, like away from my head versus combing downward in a downward motion towards my shoulders, the curls did clump and fall better. So also in the same respect, doing my hair in longer parts vertically versus wider parts horizontally worked too with how the curls feel. And y'all, this literally took no time at all. Like I literally did this in less than 30 minutes. So this is a true wash and go in my opinion, because I sure did walk right out the house and went to work and actually got a lot of compliments on my hair while it was still wet. But normally after all my styles, I do go through and sit under a hooded dryer because I am low porosity, and I feel like it just helps my hair absorb the product better and set better. So my hair was still wet when I got home from work, and I did go sit under a dryer for about 30 minutes, and that's when it started to really shrink up on me. So I do want to talk about sleeping with a wash and go because I get that question a lot. So the first thing I make sure is that my hair is not soaking wet when I go to lay down. So doing it earlier in the day and sitting under the dryer definitely helps. I do sleep on satin pillows to reduce the frizz and friction from rubbing up against the pillow. Also, the biggest thing, I take a scarf, I tie it around my edges and push it up a little bit so it kind of lifts my hair into a pineapple. I mean, it really be looking like a mushroom because it's wet and flopping all over. But yeah, I push it up so when I lay down, I'm just laying on like my edges and on the scarf and my hair is not being smashed into the pillow. This is actually the next day, and I just wanted to show y'all how my hair turned out before I go to fluff it. So this is what it looks like, dried up and all shrinked. It is perfectly defined. Like, there is not a hair out of place. This comb method will probably be my go-to wash and go technique for the summer if I got a good clumping gel going on, because just look, it is so defined. Like, it's just in super tight coils. Like, I don't think my hair has ever coiled this tightly. So this is after fluffing, and the con to using that comb is that the coils were so tight and defined. I got way more definition, but I was not able to fluff as much as I want. But this is definitely popping. I love the results, and over the next few days I'll be able to stretch it out. However, you guys know I like huge hair, so I was not able to fluff it as much. It was just like too much pulling on my hair, and I'm trying to make sure I don't break my hair off this year. I will do this method again. This will be my go-to over shingling because shingling takes so long. But I just love the coils, the definition, and the shape that I got with this. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment some more videos you guys want to see, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.